So we are now here with the new Wuben A1, a super powerful LED searchlight. It has an amazing power. We got 20,000 lumens, 1 million candelas, 2 kilometer beam distance, very strong, intense spotlight, but still a lot of floodlight as well. And the spot is very large. So of course, when you have 20,000 lumens, you get quite a nice large spot there. I mean, it's an amazing spotlight. It gives you a great beam distance. And we are now going to take a look at the light itself as well as the scope of delivery. So quickly, I'm going to show you what you have in the package. So basically everything you see here is included. That means the flashlight itself with the battery pack, also the handle. And if you want, you can take off the handle, the screws are there. Now you also have the shoulder strap, a few different plugs are included as well. Right now we have this European plug here on the charger. Of course the charger itself is in the package, 2 pieces spare O-rings, 2 pieces screws. Also the user manual, all those items are included, and of course this solid carrying case, which is great for transportation. If you're on the road or outdoors, this can be a very nice additional accessory, or basically this entire case here. It's very solid. I really like this one, and that's about it when it comes to the package. Now for the light itself, here the battery pack, you can take off the entire battery pack, you can unscrew it and you can replace it. So that means if you need, you can also buy additional battery packs, so you do have some more energy outdoors. When you really need a lot of lumens for a long time, then you probably may want to buy additional battery packs. So that's yeah, great, you can just unscrew it. And here to recharge the battery, quickly gonna adjust the focus here a bit. This is how it looks like. Basically, you have the input to recharge the battery pack, and there's also this USB-A output. So basically you can use the battery pack just like a power bank with this USB-A output here. The battery indication LEDs that show you the battery status or the charge level. Right now it's almost fully charged, so I think it's now over 87% approximately. I believe it's always about 13% per LED, if I remember it properly here. So now when it comes to the control here, there are 2 possibilities. Basically you have this remote control, which is another super nice feature. You can control the entire flashlight with all the functions, all the levels, SOS, strobe, everything, just with this remote control. You can even lock the flashlight or activate the breathing mode on the main switch with the with the remote control. That's all possible. As you can see, it lights up. Everything here possible with the remote. They say up to 10 meters according to the manufacturer. In my test, it even works or worked up to, I would say, about 15 meters. It works very well. So this one is rechargeable with a USB-C port here. Probably you need an additional cable. There is no USB charging cable in the package. I guess you already have a charging cable. Otherwise you would need just a regular USB-C charging cable here. For the remote control, everything else is included. Of course, you could also use the battery pack. I haven't yet checked it, but I believe it would work. You could just put in the USB charging cable here on the tail and then directly charge the remote control with the USB output there. Now, the other possibility, if you would lose the remote control, you could also buy additional remote controls, of course. That's another possibility. You can even use one remote control and power or basically control multiple A1 flashlights. There's a possibility to do a pairing. When you get the flashlight new, it is already prepared, so that means you can use the remote control. It works already. Anyways, the other possibility is down here. 2 buttons. It's the same user interface. I'm gonna show you how the light works soon. Here, quick look into the head here with the LEDs, and this is the receiver for the remote control, and the buttons. Right now it is in this breathing mode, so basically it always lights up the power switch. You can deactivate that mode if you like with a triple click, but it can be a nice feature outdoors in the darkness, so you always see the button there, that signal light. Now we are gonna switch it on quickly. I think right here could be nice so you can see when it's on. Basically 2 switches, the main switch and the mode switch. First level, second, third, fourth turbo, or basically now it's the first, second, third, fourth turbo. 20,000 lumens. Back to the first one. When the light is off, you can go to strobe directly by pressing and holding the main switch. Strobe. Mode switch gives you then the possibility to switch over to SOS, and back to strobe, and with the main switch back to off. When you press and hold the main switch, you get an instant turbo as long as you keep holding the switch. When you release it, it goes off. When the light is running, when you keep holding the mode switch, you go to turbo, and now it is a constant turbo, so you don't have to keep holding the switch. I would say it's very simple user interface. It works very well for me, and I would say in general it's a great user interface. It's simple, it's fast, direct. Yeah, instant access to turbo. Just keep holding the switch for about a second and you get turbo. Even when the light is off, keep holding the mode switch and you go to turbo. So that is very simple, very fast, and the exact same control here with these other buttons. Switch it off with the main, or switch it on with the main switch, back off, on with the mode switch, through the levels, up to turbo and back to the first one. Keep holding the main switch to get that constant, not the constant, but the momentary turbo. As long as you keep pressing it, you get turbo. When you release it, it goes off. Again, the same here, just like the remote control. First level and off. Keep holding the main switch to get strobe. One click on the mode switch gives you SOS, and back to strobe and off. When it's running, keep holding the main, or basically the mode switch, and you get this constant turbo mode. Or you can just switch up to turbo with the mode switch with a few clicks. So this is how it is. The other possibility, of course, also here with these switches, you can lock the flashlight, the lockout mode. You just do a four clicks on the main switch. They have to be fast enough, and now it's in lockout mode. So basically you cannot activate it anymore. The button just quickly blinks a little bit to show you that the flashlight is locked. Now to unlock, again 4 clicks, and now it's back. So after it is unlocked, it automatically starts in the first level with 100 lumens. I think it's 100 lumens, back to off. So if you want to know more about this flashlight, the Wuben A1, you can also check out the online store, welleroutdoor.ch. The link is in the description, or you can take a look at the website from the manufacturer, wubenlight.com. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to your message, your comment, and of course, depending on your location, also to your order. The online store is mainly for Switzerland, welleroutdoor.ch. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.